Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we are solving the problems of 19th block, which is fractions of collection. Isn't it, children? So, in this, we have learned how to write the fraction for the given information, isn't it, in the first topic. And in the second topic, we also have learned how to draw the picture for the given fraction and also how to use the number line to represent the given fractions, isn't it? So in the third topic, again, we are going to do the same number line, okay, which is for the given fractions, you need to represent on the number line, okay. So here the sum is represent 2 by 8, 3 by 5, 2 by 6, 2 by 4 and 4 by 10 on a number line. Okay, so you have to take the number line and you have to represent them. The first one is 2 by 8. So you know 2 by 8, that means from 0 to 1 you will draw 0 to 1 and you will make 8 equal parts, and in that you will take the second part and represent it. Yesterday we have done that, isn't it, children? That is in the previous class. Yes, so you will take the number line 0 to 1 and you will make 8 equal parts. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal parts from 0 to 1. And in that, the second part becomes your 2 by 8. So, you will represent that. Children, why we are doing from 0 to 1? Because fractions can be made from a one whole thing. In that you are making parts. If you take a shape, for example, let me take a shape of a pentagon. Here I have made a pentagon. From this I have made how many parts? 4 parts. First, actually this is a shape. So this whole shape is 1. In that I am making parts, isn't it? That's why we will draw the number line from 0 to 1. Okay, in that we will make the parts, isn't it? So here from 0 to 1 in between we are making the parts to represent the given fractions. Okay, children, now 2 by 8 we have given. Now next one is 3 by 5. That means you have to draw a number line from 0 to 1, make 5 equal parts, and the third part is your 3 by 5. Okay, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isn't it? That means there are 5 equal parts. The first one will be 1 by 5. The second one will be 2 by 5. Third one will be 3 by 5. Fourth one will be 4 by 5. And the fifth part will be 5 by 5. Isn't it, children? But here, where is 5 by 5? There is no 5 by 5. No. Why? Because 5 by 5 is the last part. And on the line, we are including all the parts. Isn't it, children? It's on the line. All the parts we have included. That means that if you include all the parts and if you include the last part, that becomes one whole, isn't it? For example, if I take a shape like this and I have divided like this, that means there are 4 parts. This is the first part, second part, third part, and this is the fourth part. And but on a number line, we are including all the parts. This part is there, this part is there, this part is there, and this part. So if you all together, if you write all, that becomes one whole part, isn't it, children? So one whole part means complete one part becomes complete one part, and that becomes 1. That's why here we wrote 1. Okay, children? Yes? So in this way, we are writing 1 on the number line. Okay, children? So 3 by 5. Next, you have 2 by 6. That means again you will take from 0 to 1. 1 means one whole part, the whole shape. And in that you will make 6 divisions. And the second part is your 2 by 6. So here also, children, this is nothing but 6 by 6 actually. But on a line we are including all the parts. When we include all the parts, 6 by 6 becomes nothing but the one whole, one complete shape, isn't it? So that's why we wrote 1 there. Okay, children. So 2 by 6 we have represented. So in this way you have 2 by 4 and 4 by 10. In the same way, for 2 by 4 you will make 4 parts and make the second part. And in 4 by 10 you will draw 10 parts. You will make 10 parts, and the fourth one will be your 4 by 10, which I have given in your daily schedule. Okay, and also you have another question here, which is they have given the number line and we need to write the letter. Let's see. So in the given number line, so they have given a number line in which they have made 4 parts. Okay, here children, in the content book they did not give you this one. They only gave the letters E, F, G, and 1 by 2 they have given. Yes, so if you see, it is divided into 4 parts, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3, 4. That means this becomes 1 by 4, isn't it? This becomes 2 by 4 and this becomes 3 by 4. That I have mentioned here. Okay, now let's see the questions. Which letter shows the location of 1 by 4? That is E, isn't it? So you will write E. Okay, next. Which letter shows the location of 2 by 4? So 2 by 4 children. If you see, this is 1 by 4, this is 2 by 4. And it is also the midpoint of 0 and 1. So it is 1 by 2 and also 2 by 4. So it becomes F. If the question asked which letter shows the location of 3 by 4, then that becomes your G. Okay, children. So these are the sums. What you have to do it in your classwork. Please do it in your classwork. And coming to your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 17, S3, number line. Okay. So in the next class, we will learn how to order the fractions. Okay, in ascending order, in the descending order. Okay. So see you in the next class, children. Bye.